Welcome back guys, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a red grunge effect in After Effects. My name is Jason, and let's hop straight into making this effect. Once I already have my clip right here, I'm gonna right click on my mouse, open right here on new, make a new adjustment layer. And then for the first effect I'm gonna add to my adjustment layer, it's going to be posterized time. I'm gonna drag it in right there. And then for my frame rate, I'm gonna put 15. And I'm gonna close it out. Next effect I'm going to add is add grain. I'm going to drag it in, going to viewing mode, put on final output, put our intensity at 3, then our size at 0. Once after that, I'm going to close out our effect. Next effect I'm going to add is S_hotspots. Drag it in right there. I'm going to head towards the start of my clip. I'm going to put our threshold at 0 for the start, make a keyframe. Then I'm going to head towards the end. Then I'll put a threshold at 0.32. or 0.32. I'm going to highlight our keyframes and ease them. Then I'm going to push our keyframe back to the end. Once after that, I'm going to close that effect right there. Next effect I'm going to add is colorama. I'm going to head to output cycle. Then right here on use preset palette, I'm going to go right here, head down and look for alpha ramp. I'm going to click on it and enable it. Once after that, I'm going to close out colorama. Next effect I'm going to add is S_distort chroma. Drag it in right there. I'm going to head towards the start once again. I'm going to have our amount at 1. I'm going to click on the time watch to create a keyframe at the beginning. Then I'm going to head towards about the end. Then I'm going to put 0. Once again, highlight our keyframes and ease them. Push it towards the end. Then we're going to put my blur lens right here at 122. Then I'm going to head down to my warp red and put it at negative 0.250. Then my warp blue, I'm going to put it at 0.14. It's going to give it a cool and red grunge effect. So once after I add these settings for S_distort chroma, I'm going to close it out. And then for our next effect, it's going to be optics compensation. Just drag it in right there. Then I'm going to head towards the beginning. Make sure reverse lens distort is checked off or enabled. I'm going to open up our timeline and create a new keyframe by clicking on our time watch. And for the first keyframe, I'm going to put 114 for the beginning. Head towards the end. And then I'm going to put 0 at the end. Once again, highlight our keyframes and ease them. I'm going to push it towards the end. And now we're going to add the last effect to tie up this whole red grunge effect. So the last effect I'm going to add is radial blur. I'm going to drag it in right here. Put a type on zoom, our quality on high. Then I'm going to head towards the beginning. Put it at 30. Click on our time watch right here to make our first keyframe. And then I'm going to open up my timeline. It's going to be at 30 for our first keyframe. Then I'm going to put our second keyframe at 0. Then once again for each effect like I done here, I'm going to ease it, push it towards the end. And those are all the effects that you'll need in order to create a red grunge effect in After Effects. Before you click off, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or just leave a comment. I'm uploading weekly. With that all out of the way, make sure to stay creative guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.